I had this Kohler engine sitting outside for a while. You can see just how long it's been sitting out. The cylinder started to rust. Just got the flywheel off, broke a magnet on it, so that's junk. I'm not re-gluing anything. But pretty much everything is junk. Starter's locked up. The stator, I don't think I'd save that. Probably could clean it up and save it, but these engines are just junk, these Kohler carriages, so yeah, let's tear it apart. After some fighting, I finally got that piston free. There it is. It's pretty bad. I think this motor probably would have ran before I left it outside. Here's the crank. I took the oil pump out too.